Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram account without password, email and phone number. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on help and click on help center, and here you need to search for account delete like I am doing. Okay, and here you need to click on the first option, delete your Instagram account, and then you need to tap on instagram.com from a mobile browser or computer. Then you need to click on delete your account, and here you need to mention the reason. So I'm going to add too many ads, and then you need to click on forgot password, and after that you need to reset your password. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on delete and click on OK. So this is a process by which you can delete your Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.